Hi, my name's Alyssa, and today I'm going to talk to you about gardening as a stress reliever. So with the amount of time that we may be spending indoors recently, many people may want to get reconnected with nature. Being in touch with nature can help create space between you and your current stressors. And having a piece of nature of your own can help you feel some of that connection. So whether you have one pot and some seeds, a small patio, or big yard, the act of tending to plants or garden can not only be a stress reliever in itself, but what you create can also lift your mood. Another benefit of having a garden or plants is that you can have a designated space of your own for mindfulness meditation, relaxation, or even just reflecting, which all can provide stress relief. So getting started might seem a little bit intimidating, but just know that there is a wealth of information available to you online for ideas and ways to get started. Some of you may have gotten these chamomile seed packets from Cats, which do have chamomile seeds in them and can also be another great place to get started. And whatever your means may be at this time, even if gardening may not be, I do encourage everyone to reconnect with nature in whatever way that they can.